I'm a bee cleaner, so what I do is I clean the interior of MTA buses. It feels really good to know that I'm helping save someone's life when they get on that bus.
When I'm cleaning the bus, I'm thinking about the people who ride the bus. You got elderly, you have children, you have women, babies. So I try to do my best to make sure the bus is clean, sanitized, disinfected for everybody to ride.
I do realize that my job is very important and it makes me feel really good inside. I know I'm making a major impact on people who get on the bus daily as well as the bus operators.
My neighbors, they do ride, and my family members ride the transit, and I know that it's safe for them to ride. I'm not scared or worried about them because I know we did a good job of disinfecting the bus.